Welcome. This episode we're going to be building part 1-38E reverser arm for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to be building part 1-38E reverser arm for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. First off, we open up the template MMGS. Now we're going to go right plane. We're going to do sketch, and we're going to do. It's like an arm. It's like a lever. It's got a circle cylinder in the bottom, go up and handle up top. I'm thinking. I do the flat piece first. I won't do the cylinder like I normally do. So first off, we want the center point arc that can go there to there. Yep. Then we're going to do a line. It's going to be there, there. There's no set length this time on that. That's fine. Just doing the basic layout. This cylinder is going to be what's that? 22. Oh, sorry, 11. It's a diameter 11. Sorry, diameter's 22. Radius is 11. There we go. Still in dimension. Pull that one over. There we go. Okay, these two are going to be horizontal. Now the space between that is, so that's going to be 8. So we do 8. There we go. And yes, it's going to be straight down. That's not quite right. That's fine. Let me just grab this one, bring it across. Let me just zoom in there a minute. Do you have a center point in that? One way I can do it, another way I can do it is smart dimension that point to the center there. It's going to be 4. There we go. So now that should not be able to go that way, but go up and down. That's fine. Was that good? So now we got from this point to the hole up here. That's interesting. 3mm hole there. It doesn't give mention from there to there. Let's do that one from now. Let's see, smart dimension. That's going to be 3mm. I'm just going to put a default one here for now, just so that way it doesn't screw it up. I'm just going to put that at 10. That way when we extend this up, that's staying there. So center to center, it's going to be 158.3 plus 73.7. There we go. That way it left a hole there. It didn't blow it out of portion. Actually, look at that, it's about the correct size. Let me grab this. Oh, grab that, just get it away. Grab that, just get it away. Just doesn't matter at the end there, because when you do technical drawings, I just like to do that though. It just keeps it neat for yourself. Okay, so we got 2 holes there. It's going to be up here somewhere. I'm just going to put them down here for now. They are 0.25 diameter. 2.5. Got there. 2.5 got there. Missed it. Yeah, let's just go on there. We want smart dimension. I was in there, just cancelled. So from this one to that one is going to be 3.7. That one to that one is going to be, nope, we want that way, that way. 2.7. There we go. So from center line, okay, we need to put a center line in this. There we go. Now, if we'd done the center line before, we could have done the 4 mil up there. Go down there, that's fine. It's that same. Let's see now. Let me bring that across. Oh, wasn't the dragon. There we go. That's it, base one each side, that we get the correct measurement. That's going to be 1.6. Okay, smart dimension. Center of the circle. That line is going to be 1.6. There we go. Now, the reason I've done so close down there, I can do it from here then. So this center line to that center line is going to be 158.3. There you go. It goes up there then. Looks good. Okay, that looks like everything there. Perfect. Okay, now that is 6 mil thick. So extrude 6 mil. And okay. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so we want to do going down here. So we want this face here, normal 2. We want to do sketch. We want to do circle. That size. Beautiful. And that's going to be 8 mil. Extrude. Extrude is going to be 8 mil. And there's that one done. Perfect. Okay, this needs a hole through it though. So we want to go normal 2. Extrude. Sketch. Sorry about that. We don't need normal 2, so circle, smart dimension. That's going to be 12 mil. There we go. And that one's going to be extrude cut, through all, and done. That is that one done. Let me save this before I forget. This is part 1-38E. Always remember to save and save regularly. Okay, so now we want to go front plane, normalize, front plane, sketch, zoom into this section here. There's a hole goes through here. That's why I've done front plane. That way we got it straight. It's going to be 3 mil. So we want to circle. It's going to be this side. There we go. Oh, thank you. 3 mil. Oh, sorry. 3 mil, not 2 mil. That's going to be halfway through there. It's going to be halfway through there. So it's going to be 4 mil in. So this line to that line is going to be 4. And there to there is going to be 11. You could have lined up with the point there and that. I just done it that way. Okay. Okay. Now we want to go feature, extrude, through all, second direction, through all, and done. There it is. That part's done. Yeah, let's go to that one. Normal 2, there we go. So that's looking good. We just need to do a handle up top now. There's a radius 6. That's 6. That means the radius 6 starts here. It's going to touch on 2 sides, but not 2 sides. Then it goes up to radius of, diameter. Sorry, diameter of 6, and goes up to a diameter of 8. Okay, so this, let's do sketch on that one. It's going to be a circle. going to be do that one. Smart dimension will be, what was it? 6. 6. Let's move that there for a minute. That one, the other edge and that edge should be there. Beautiful. That's center to, oh, 1 point. Go there. I get 0.0. Not working. Okay. Okay, let me go to center line. Let me just with that parallel that way. That way it's locked in. That's 90 degrees there. You got the symbol there. Now this dot center there to that line will be incident. There you go. That's where we want it. It lines up perfect there because it lines up this one. That's the same width. So that's that one done. Let me just okay that. Through there. Not through there. Zoom out. Now we want to do a plane that's going to be these 6 high. So we want. So let me actually go to. Yeah, sketch. Thank you. Let me do that one. It's going to be normal 2. Actually, it's going to be right plane sketch. So we want center line, that point there. Make sure it's horizontal, vertical. That's going to be these 6. Beautiful. Sorry. It's going to be 66. That's better. I had the wrong 3. That's going to be 66 high. Okay, so let's exit out that sketch. Let's go to plane. Pop it on that one. Second reference. Will that work? If I click on that one. Should be, yep, that's it. So I clicked on the endpoint, then click on that line, made it level the way we want it. That's good. Okay, so now on this one here, we want to go this plane, normal 2, sketch, and we can line up with this circle perfectly. Nice. So circle center point. That's going to be, well, let's say 8. Radius 4, so it's going to be diameter, diameter of 8. Beautiful, that's done. Okay, that one. Feature, get out. All right, go back sketch. Exit sketch. Now we want to go to feature. Thank you. Wait, boss base. So click on that one. Oh, we already had that selected, so it's actually picked that one. That's good. So, in that one. Oh, no. Sorry, that's the wrong one. We want loft base. Let me just unhighlight it. We want loft base. Sorry, because that one there does along a path. We don't want the path. We want that one and that one. That was good. Don't need curved guys or anything. It's gonna be straight. There we go. If that worked out a lot quicker than I thought it was gonna be. That's good. Okay, so now, but we want this curved here. So, let's go to right plane, normal. And then, so on right plane, sketch. We want to go to center point arc. In the center, to that. Let's put it there for now. There's now do smart dimension. That's going to be a radius of 4. that point there is going to be vertical. This point there and this point there is going to be horizontal. Go line. Now close that in, so that should be a closed thing. Yep. Now we want to go to feature. We want to revolve. Nope, sorry. Revolve boss base. Okay, it's revolving around the wrong one. Want around that one. Oh. Oh, dang, I was off. Oh. Okay, we got it right. I got the wrong plane. Okay, that's fine. Exit out of that one. Let me just delete that one. Delete. Oh. Oh, exit out sketch. Yeah, you can't delete what's in there. It's way to delete there. Let me just delete that one. Yep. Okay, so yeah, we want. Okay, I'll go back, change it. Okay, let me just hide that one out the way. Hide that one out the way. And hide that one out the way. We don't need that. But this one here we do need. So we're going to go. Okay, so we're going to try this way. We're going to go to sketch. We're going to do half for the 3.1. Let's go that way. Now we want to do this. The other one. These 2 points are going to be horizontal. Now around a bit, thank you. Oh. Then there's that one. So that one's going to be vertical. There we go. Now, let me just join these lines up. That line to there. That line there. There we go. Now we want to smart dimension. That's going to be 8. Sorry, it's going to be 4. There we go. Now we go feature, evolve. That's construction line through there. Feature, revolve. Direction 2. Hold on. Go back one. Let's delete that line. Let's delete that one. Let's bring this one. Yeah, that one. That line's gonna be concurrent. Beautiful. Let's go to line. Close that one in. Beautiful. Feature. There we go. We got there. And done. What? There we go. Look at mode results and it seemed to work then. That is it. That's handle there. It pulls down. So that is that piece done. That's part 1-C8E Reverser Arm. So hope you enjoyed the episode. Hope that's helpful. Click the like button, subscribe, and leave comments. It does help me out. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.